Alright, this is Admongo. Pick your character, boy or girl, whatever colour you want. Good for diversity. Admongo is about ad literacy, teaching kids the importance of ads in the world and why there's adverts, how to understand them. This game also teaches, how to use a computer, good hand-eye coordination, listening to instructions, which is good. It's good to learn instructions when you're young, so when you're at uni and doing tasks like these, you understand them way better because they're hell important, obviously. Really good game, learning about advertisement and why advertising is the most important thing ever, and to understand it here. Money does make the world go round. Kids need to learn that very young. Laptops, very important in their lives. Advertising right there for laptops. Lever, which is good, showing kids that you'll go up and down in life, which is something they need to learn from a young age. Athletic jumps, in case they're into sport, teaches them how to spell menu. Sleuth, they probably won't understand that one. Teaching them about killing baddies, which is important if they join the army or something, Here he is running through. Now we're on to the next level. We passed the first level of ad literacy. So after that, students should have a pretty comprehensive understanding of why ads are ads and the literacy behind it, and why it's important to do this stuff in school and at uni, and why it's so important to play games at uni.